Lost _memories _warning. You could be losing 30 years of family memories in one small accident and not even realize it. If you do not know this simple way to protect your photos and letters, one burst pipe or move to a smaller place might erase your story forever. Many people over 60 think their boxes and albums are safe, but time, heat, and moisture quietly destroy them month by month. Up next, we dive into promise _protect memories. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to keep your favorite photos and letters safe, organized, and easy to share with your family. You will see a simple step-by-step way to cut your photo clutter in half without throwing away what truly matters. You will also learn how to make sure your stories do not disappear in a drawer when you move, downsize, or are no longer here to. Overwhelmed by boxes. If you are over 60, you might have at least 3 or 4 boxes of old photos and letters you are almost afraid to open. You tell yourself you will sort them someday, but years pass, the paper yellows, and no one else knows who is in those pictures or why that letter from 1978 matters. Many people feel guilty, stuck between keeping everything and throwing away pieces of their life. Up next, silent risks time family. Here is the part most people do not think about. Every year you wait, you lose details your family can never get back. Names fade from your memory, faces blend together, and the people who could explain those letters may already be gone. On top of that, your kids and grandkids may not keep mystery boxes when they are clearing a house in a hurry, even if they love you deeply. Up next, we 15 minute memory routine. Many people find that a simple 15-minute weekly routine is enough to protect a lifetime of photos and letters. Pick just 10 to 20 items, sit at a table with good light, and quickly sort them into 3 piles: must keep, maybe, and no. The goal is not perfection, the goal is to rescue the most important pieces before time and clutter swallow them. But here is where it gets. Caption digitize share. Take your must keep photos and letters and give each one a short, clear caption with names, place, and year, even if you have to guess the decade. Then, use a simple scanner app on your phone or a basic home scanner to create digital copies you can back up on a USB drive or cloud storage. This may take minutes but can protect them for decades. Many families create a shared online folder so who gets what retention. Most people skip this and wish they had not, deciding who should receive specific photos and letters while you can still explain why they matter. A short note on the back of a print or a sticky note on an envelope that says, "For Emma," or "For David," can guide your family when they are sorting things under pressure. This tiny step may be the difference between a box going to the trash and a real family examples. Some families discover this the hard way. One sibling keeps a box of mixed photos and letters in a damp basement, and after 10 years the ink has blurred and mold has started to grow. Another family spends one winter afternoon scanning 200 key photos and writing short notes, and now their grandkids in 3 different states see those faces every month on their phones. Estate planners often engagement _quiz choice. Quick question for you. If you could only save one thing today, would it be your wedding photos, your children's school pictures, or a handwritten letter from a parent or grandparent? Type your answer in the comments, because seeing what others choose may give you ideas for what to protect next. Many people are surprised by which item feels most important when they actually have to decide. Common mistakes checklist. One big mistake is stacking photos and letters in plastic bins in hot attics or damp garages, where heat and moisture slowly warp and fade them. Another is keeping everything mixed together with no names or dates, which almost guarantees that future generations will not know who is who and may simply give up. A third quiet problem is waiting for more time, instead of using short 10 to legacy gift CTA. Think of this as creating a living gift, not just cleaning up old paper. You are giving your family clear faces, real words, and true stories they can hold onto long after you are gone. Start this week by choosing one small box or album and protecting just 10 photos or letters with labels and a quick scan. That single action may keep 50 years of memories from disappearing. If this video gave you